And last one for tonight, I think, is gonna be Rooster. So Rooster, we have 10 of Pentacles, blue sky. So Rooster, this is for your Lunar New Year, for the lunar eclipse. That's way too many. Can you be a little more concise with me? We're gonna have to look up blue sky. That's one of those extra cards in this deck. Can you give me some more cards for Rooster, please? Wheel of Fortune, the Moon, Two of Cups. Now I'm going to turn all these back around because this is a big year reading. We're not going to deal with reverses here. So you have a bit of a mystery year. There's definitely success. End of one era, beginning of the next. Good relationship luck. You're a little bit all over the place, Rooster. Good luck, a little bit of good luck everywhere. Let's look at what blue sky says. I love that image of the bunny with the big happy wings. What does it say? Blue sky. It says the magnificent pure clouds with brilliant glitter, the sunny bright skies being in the middle of the sky like this is calming, warm, and relaxing. The sight might be, oh, that's a big word, perspicuously. The roosters out there are going to be mad at me for that one. Surroundings, not more, the English in this one is a little bit hard, but for my say, I see confidence, glitter. This is just like a little bit of good luck sprinkled over everything for you, Rooster, this year. There's not one thing in particular that you're working on. You're good finances, good relationships, new part of your cycle, new part of your life. And a little bit of mystery thrown in, right? You don't know what's coming, and that's kind of part of the year for you. We're gonna see how you end up with all this kind of pixie dust. There we go, pixie dust, just scattered all over. What are you gonna do with it? What are you gonna wish for? Because it seems like this year your wishes are getting granted, Rooster. I'm ready for it. What's your pixie dust gonna look like?